we are gonna flip the bowl over. And then my mommy's gonna go get her shoes on, and then we are going to, I guess, we're going to go outside and then buy some collection things.
All right, have a seat. So tell me what we're gonna do. We're gonna flip this over.
We're gonna pull it. I already told her that.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see.
Clean my bowl.
The bowl stayed clean. We gotta get the plastic wrap off of this.
But is that on there?
Yeah.
But will that come undone?
We don't know. Let's see. It's supposed to stay on there. Let's see if it worked. Okay, hold on. Unwrapping.
Unwrapping the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. Try not to rip it. Okay, hold on, sis.
What do I need you to do it?
Okay. Lift the bowl up. Hold on. Don't pull that down. Alright.
What is supposed to stay on?
Hold on, sissy. Hold on.
When you take it off.
Let's see. Alright.
I don't like that.
Let's see what it looks like.
Taking all that off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Unwrap our plastic wrap.
But are you gonna break it?
No, I'm not gonna break it.
Oh. But you could. But you could if you wouldn't.
If I was not gentle, but we've been learning about gentleness, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And you can't use yarn, even if you have yarn, then you have to use yarn, but if you
So we used yarn instead of twine.
Because do we have twine?
No, we didn't have any twine here. So we used yarn, and our nest is a little kind of flimsy. It didn't stick all the way. So we put our nest inside this bowl, and now what are we going to go do, Ellie? What are we going to go do outside?
Go find something.
Well, look, tell everybody.
We're going to go find something. Bye. Birds need their nest to be strong and soft.
Why does it need to be strong?
Because the wind can blow it away.
Yeah, and then why does it need to be soft?
For the baby birdies if they get some.
Oh, yeah, good idea. Let's go get some supplies.
Okay, come on. All right, guys, we're outside. We're going to find some stuff, okay?
What kind of things are you going to be looking for, Ellie?
I don't know what. Oh, I need to put that.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to cut it a little longer.
Okay, so you got some grass.
I guess I'll leave the feathers up here.
Okay, and you can use your hands too if you want to, okay?
Okay.
All right, so there's our bird's nest, and Ellie's going to go look for some supplies.
How about, like, I just put it here and I find stuff?
And then we'll put it in the nest afterwards?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Let's go get some supplies, everybody. Soft.
All right, Ellie, so you're building your nest?
Uh-huh.
What are you putting in there?
I'm putting lots and lots of good stuff. Cut this stem off because I guess birdies won't like that. There we go. I cut the stem off. Now
The stem might help it be strong. Like on the outside part, you know?
Wait. Ah! This big leaf. I definitely for sure have to cut that. Cut that off. Now, I'm going to roll it up into a ball, and then I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to roll it up into a ball, and then I'm going to cut. All into a little piece. This piece I have to roll back up, and then cut. I'm going to cut. Here we go. Here's our bird's nest.
Okay, Ellie, so can you tell me a little bit about your bird's nest?
Yes.
Okay, what did you put in here that's soft for the birdies?
Moss.
You got some moss in
And
there?
they got some sand in there.
Okay, what made it sturdy?
The stems of them.
Okay, some of the stems.
And something else that made it soft is soft, very, very soft leaves.
Oh, we did find some soft leaves.
Thank you for watching. Now I have a surprise for you. I'll be right back, guys. I put the hatchimals in there, and then watch what I'm going to do second. I'm going to put the food in for them to eat. I guess I'll use cake, and then I put